Look at that. Wow. It's yummy, right? So, sweetie, it's time to prepare mommy and daddy breakfast. Let's see how we get this delicious done. I'll be needing bell pepper. I just get that slice. So I'll be needing onions. So I'll just slice the onions. So I'll add in the pepper and the onions over here. So next we have this this chicken sausage I made at home. You guys already see the video. Wow, this is so beautiful. I made this by myself, guys. This chicken sausage. It's actually made by me. Look at that. Wow. So let me slice that. Homemade chicken sausage. Look at that. So I will be making this by myself, guys. I will be making it by myself. See how beautiful that looks. I will just keep it over here. Am I right? So sweetie, I'm going to be needing this pan. So guys, we now have oil. Let's put oil over here. Our oil has finished.
Yeah, wow.
So now we are adding oil over here. I'll add in the onions and bell pepper. I'll just season it with just nut cube, a little bit of nut cube, one piece. I'll be adding this one as pepper. So this one is chili pepper. Then salt. Allow that to fry for just 1 minute. So I'm going to be adding the sausage. Just 1 minute later, this sauce is ready. Just like this is good to go. I'll keep it aside. So you're going to be needing bowl. So far I'm going to be adding warm water. So add the milk. So add the sugar. Here we have yeast. So I'm going to be adding egg. So I mix that together. So here we have atta. So that is brown flour. So here we are going to be needing all-purpose flour. Adding salt. So adding oil. Then mix everything together. For more liquid, adding water. Then mix, we are needing butter. So the consistency is okay. We just need to have that fluffy butter. Look at the consistency. At this point, you are done mixing the butter. So now it's good to go. So I'm going to be needing this type of pan. So I'm going to be adding oil on the pan like this. So you're needing this curd spoon. So now you are going to take the sauce. So I'm going to be needing cheese. So add in the cheese like this. Then take the butter again. Just give this 2 minutes, then yeah. So let's get that done. Wait. So guys, look at that. Hey, look at that. Wow, this is so yummy. Look at our breakfast is ready. Very easy and delicious. So sweetie, let's cut it just into two like this. Look at that. Wow, so yummy. Let's cut Obi on. Wow, look at that. This is yummy yummy breakfast recipe. Oh my gosh. It's yummy, right? Yummy, 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 yummy. So yummy. This is so yummy, guys. So now we are going to serve to enjoy. Let me taste my own. Now fire dig, guys. Fire is too much. This is another best way to make breakfast done. It's so easy and delicious. In my next one, bye.